Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Friends, today I have taken a new video like every day. Today our video topic is how to make best effective morning weight loss drinks at home. Before starting, I want to say please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for more updates. At first, take 1 glass of clean water. Then add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Now add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. At last, add 1 piece of lemon juice. Mix it well properly. Ready for drink. This drink can boost your metabolism instantly. If you take this drink just after getting up from bed in the early morning, then you will feel fresh and change in 1 week. Friends, see you again in our next videos. Friends, thanks for watching. Please comment, like and share.